Hello, Stallions! I'm Mrs. Dennis, and I'm going to be your 8th grade science teacher this year. I have been teaching for 13 years and absolutely love science. I was born and raised in Houston, but I moved here about 10 years ago. I have triplet daughters that are going into 3rd grade at Helotes Elementary. It is literally like a mini science experiment every single day at my house, and I wouldn't want it any other way. So, there's a lot of things happening, and I want you to know that I am very excited and prepared to help you navigate through them. We definitely need to be a team because we are all in this together. 8th grade science is literally everything you didn't learn last year. So, take a deep breath and don't worry if last year seems a bit hazy right now. Our major units include chemistry, physics, earth science, and space. Before you think that's a lot, I want you to realize that you use science every single day of your life. All of your decisions, your emotions, your movements are linked to science, and we will spend the year breaking them down and showing you how it all works. So let's get you set up. Monday is approaching fast, and I want you to feel confident on your first day back. The most important thing to remember about virtual learning is where and when to log in. The when is huge. You don't want to click a link that isn't active. Plus, you definitely want to make sure you get credit for being in class so your parents don't get hounded with phone calls and emails. So first things first, make sure you have your schedule handy and maybe set yourself some alarms for 10 minutes before so you give yourself plenty of time to get ready while you're adjusting. We are still using our portal as your one-stop sign-in shop. So luckily, you should be very familiar with navigating to it. Once you sign in, you should see a new icon. This Schoology icon is where your virtual classroom will be, so make sure to arrange this icon in an easily accessible place for you. Click and drag the icons to where you will have the easiest access. You will also need this Think Central icon because that is your online science book. Okay, for Monday, you're going to log into your portal and then click on Schoology. Then you will click on your first period icon. If you don't see your courses, click on Course Dashboard and it should pop right up. Science has the same icon, so you should see a microscope and then you'll know it's science, but that might not be your first period, so make sure you have your schedule. You're going to click on your first period and it will take you into that course. They should look very, very similar. We tried to make it as easy as possible for everybody to find what they needed to get to. The courses should be set up in the same order, and your live link should be at the top. Click this link and you will be taken to your online class meeting. Make sure you allow your device to connect with your camera and audio. Here are a few basic norms to set you up. Be prepared. Computer is charged, set up in a quiet place, and wear school-appropriate clothing. Be on time, guys. Make sure you're there right when it starts. Turn on your camera. Message me if your camera is not working or there is another reason you cannot be on camera. Mute your mic, but have it available in the main room until it is your turn to talk. Be an active participant. Raise your hand to speak, type in the chat box, do your part in your breakout rooms. No other devices or windows open. That one's huge. This is integrity. We need to know that you are focused on our class. Communicate in respectful ways and stay on topic. And finally, follow all the regular school rules and class rules that you would normally follow in a classroom setting. From there, you will get the rest of the information from each teacher. I'm not asking for any major supplies yet, so please just have a pencil and paper available to jot down notes. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. This will definitely be a different year, but it will also be a year that we will never forget. Let's make it awesome and grow together. I'm here for you, and I cannot wait to see your smiling face on Monday.